Hi Stampers, my name is Sandy Hancock. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I want to welcome you to Utterly Awesome Stamping. Today, instead of stamping, I'm going to show you this new way I'm using to organize my dies. So I'm going to pull down the camera and I'm going to show you some possibilities of things you could do. I was highly motivated to do this because I lost two of my dies and I had to rebuy them because one I lost was very crucial to the success of using the set. So a friend recently told me about these. I went on Amazon and I put in Marietta, I don't know how to say it, magnetics. You get 25 sheets. They're each 5 by 7, 1688 plus tacks, 20 millimeters, and they're sticky back. So make sure all of that information is on there. So you're going to get 25 sheets, and they're very easy to use. They have a paper on the back that peels off, and once you peel them, I seriously am going to get this. It's not that hard to do. Okay, so you're going to peel back the paper, peel it all the way off. So this is nice and sticky, and then I'll show you. Okay, once you've peeled it off, it fits right into the side of your case that doesn't have your stamps. So it holds them very nicely. I used to use the Realtor's magnetics, and they didn't work that well. So I hadn't jumped out to do this when I saw other people doing it because I thought, yeah, I don't really think they're going to work that well. But guess what? They do. It's pretty amazing how well they work. Okay, so these are, again, I'm just going to say these are the Hey Chick. This is a Hey Chick bundle. The Hey Chick set, this particular one, was a 2017 celebration set. 158190. So you may still have that set, and if you do, then you can simply add the Hey Chick dies, 158199 for 32. But if you love the whole bundle and don't have it, then it's 158627. This information is going to be on my blog today. So there's the Hey Chick. The Hey Birthday Chick is in the catalog. I just realized the dies are not there, so they'll be on my blog. Okay, so here's some possibilities of ways you might use these magnetic sheets. Let's say that okay, so here's one that has a set that matches, but let's say you're using something like the layering ovals. Well, the layering ovals don't have a set that goes with them. So what I did is I just took one of the standard stamp cases and I put a magnetic sheet on each side and then split them up, and they're holding, you can see they hold really, really well. So there is that. So that's one possibility that you might want to do. If you don't have any empty standard cases, you can purchase them through Stampin' Up! They're called standard stamp cases. The number is 119105. They're 3 cases for $8. So you may want to have at least 3 of these on hand, or look at your dies and see what you're going to need, because if you have the layering squares, layering ovals, and the layering circles, then that's already 3 cases right there. So you may want to get 2 sets. Okay, so here's another. This is a big set. This is the Stitched Be Mine, and I just needed a whole stamp case just for the Stitch Be Mine. So this, yeah, I haven't put a name in here yet, but there's a sheath on each one of these, and you can put the name right down in the front so you know exactly, or you could even put a name down in here so that you can stand it up or whatever fits into your organizational system. Okay, so there's that possibility. Here's the stitched rectangles, and guess what? Everything fits great, but this one little tiny rectangle, well, I'm not going to put a second one in here just for the little tiny rectangle, so it's just going to have to be there. This is far better than what I had before, so step up for me. Now here's another kind of a situation. This is the stitched shape dies. They used to be called framelets, and they don't fit exactly, but they fit well enough. They're still holding really well on here. But this particular plastic case is a little shorter than 5 by 7. So I had to cut off 5/8 of an inch from the top of this. And then I'm just keeping them down in here. But you could even put 2 sets in one case. You could have, you know, stitched shapes on one side and you could have something else on the other side. So suit yourself on that. So now let me show you what I did with the extra 5/8 of an inch that I cut off. So this is the Mini Hearts bundle, and there was this that didn't fit on this whole side. And so what I did is I just put that little strip, 5/8 of an inch, right there. Put that on there. Isn't that so cool? And then my stamp set fits right here. So you're going to have to just play with these and see how you can get yourself organized. And then here's the last one possibility is, let's say you have dies, you don't have the set, even though I think I actually do have this set. This is Celebration Tidings. You can, because this plastic case is taller than the stitched shapes, then you could just put all your dies right here and stick it right back in if you have the, I don't know, newer dies. I'm not sure how they determine. I guess it's just the length of the dies. But anyway, this is another possibility, putting them here and then just not taking off the sticky back, of course, and slipping it right down into your case. So any of those scenarios will work. And I'll just go back and show you these again. Tomorrow I'm going to post the pictures that I thought I was going to post today. I mean, tomorrow. Yeah, so I guess Wednesday. Okay, so I'm going to post all the samples from this set on Wednesday. So anyway, I hope you have fun with this idea, and hopefully it will be helpful. So again, Marietta, of course now I have no idea what I did with those. Anyway, here they are. Okay, one more time. Marietta Magnetics on Amazon. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then again, all the details for this will be on my blog, todaysandystamper.com. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to having you back next time.